In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to change your name on Facebook. This can be a great way to protect your privacy, especially if you're trying to avoid being easily found by strangers, stalkers, or potential scammers. Open the Facebook app and tap the menu icon. Tap the settings gear icon in the upper right corner. Go to the Account Center. This should be the first option you see. Tap on Profiles. Then select your Facebook profile. Find and tap the name option. Delete your current name and type in your new name. Once you're done, tap Review Change. Note: you can only change your Facebook name once every 60 days, likely for privacy and security reasons. And that's it. That's how easy it is to update your Facebook name.